Big up to everyone. The African Cup of Nations draw is over. I'm talking about the African Cup of Nations that will take place in La Côte d'Ivoire. 2023. The draw is over. And I'm going to run you down all the groups. So let's get it. Group A, we have Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Guinea-Bissau, and Sao Tome. Group B, we have Burkina Faso, Cape Verde, Togo, and Eswatini. Group C, we have Cameroon, Kenya, Namibia, Burundi. Group D, we have Cameroon, Guinea, Malawi, Ethiopia. Group E, we have Ghana, Madagascar, Angola, and Santa Africa Republic. And when we come to Group F, we have Algeria, Uganda, Niger, Tanzania. Group G, we have Mali, Congo, the Gambia, and South Sudan. Group H, we have the host nation, Cote d'Ivoire, Zambia, Comoros, and Lesotho. When we come for Group I, we have DR Congo, Gabon, Mauritania, Sudan. Group J, we have Tunisia, Equatorial Guinea, Libya, Botswana. Group K, we have Morocco, South Africa, Zimbabwe, Liberia. Group L, we have Senegal, Benin, Mozambique, and Rwanda. So guys, what do you think? What do you think about the group?